bologna bowl.
Bologna bowl!
Yeah. And so the bologna bowl, see, my mother-in-law, Carol, she's an amazing woman. She had a lot of children, 5. And my wife is the baby. And so growing up, they used to have, you know, bologna bowls for breakfast. So then her mom, Carol, would just literally put a piece of bologna in a bowl, put a piece of cheese in a bowl.
Carol, you crack me up, and I want to hang with you.
Carol is phenomenal, but the thing is that she's an amazing chef.
Yes.
Do you want to crack the egg?
Sure.
Rachel, cracking an egg.
Oh! So we have American cheese. We have lined a bowl with bologna and a slice of American and an egg.
That is it. There's a microwave. Who's got a microwave? Start.
What are we making now?
Now, this is my mom. This is Joni. This is Joni's dish.
Food.
Chicken, curry, broccoli, cheddar cheese casserole.
Of course it
with
is.
some hash browns. This was the 80s.
Curry.
Curry, yes.
Ginger, garlic, onion.
Onions.
Enough curry or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's spice it up.
Toast it up.
Toast it up. You really want to bring out those flavors. Open up the spices. They're dry, but you really, that heat.
Get the
a little bit
broccoli.
oil. Get the broccoli in there.
Broccoli in there.
You can see this isn't blanched. You don't have to blanch it because we're going to be baking it. It will steam and come through.
It'll work itself out.
Hopefully be as mushy and flavorless as my mom's. Jokes. Joan.
Kidding, Joan.
Joan is so sweet. I love Joan.
Okay, stirring that together. A little salt.
Little salt. We're always seasoning, building the layers over the shoulder.
What's next? What's next?
What's next? Let's put some cream in.
Cream?
Let's put some cream in. Oh, we're doing it like a little deglaze with the cream.
Cream.
And then we're gonna add the cream cheese.
Cream cheese, the whole Brixer in pieces?
Yeah, cube it
why
up. Okie dokie.
Okie doke.
This is nice. Can you smell that? Now, chicken. Let's put some chicken in here. Lots of chicken, not too much. Okay, that's good. No, that's good.
Much.
That's okay.
Look, there's 3 pieces.
Okay, let's put it all in.
Save the 3 pieces?
No, we're not. So let's.
Cheese?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Cheese is gonna
God,
go
no.
on top.
These?
Let's put some hash browns on the bottom of the pan, and this is just a bake. So now we have our base.
So put this in here.
Let's put that in there, and that's gonna be the base. These are hash browns, I guess you guys call them.
So as I said, the New York Times, all kidding aside, the New York Times did put this on its top list of must-have books for the fall.
I get excited.
Can I top this with cheese?
Chef, yes.
Oh, please, no, cook. That's
Cook.
such a
I'm a
creepy
chef.
word.
I don't know who's a chef anymore.
I
Who
know.
knows?
Who knows?
Who cares?
I don't.
No, so the casserole, look at this. Does this look like a casserole? This is another great thing. This is a very easy, this is my favorite olive dressing. And this is just
Olive dressing.
I love you must love olives. Wow. Those are nice. And so we used to make this. This is my favorite salad dressing my mother-in-law makes. Carol, once again, Carol. I'm influenced by, the women in my life, all amazing
Smart
chefs.
man.
Mm-hmm. All the men are losers. So.
Feel me, man. Garlic?
Garlic!
Garlic!
We're gonna put some lemon in there.
Yes, sir.
And we're gonna make this salad dressing. And this is something that I truly love. You could actually put this would be really nice with like grilled chicken or like pork. There's so many different things.
Right, any protein.
Some fish
really.
even. Very like Mediterranean. And you have the earthiness and the minerality of the olives. Oh my goodness.
And
wow.
some vinegar?
Yeah. Acid's great. You always want to make sure everything's balanced. You got the salt, you got the acid. So, let's test it back. Okay. Okay, that's good. So you don't want it emulsified.
Or
Who
not.
knows what emulsification is?
It looks a lot like that. It's hard.
So you're supposed to just like pulse it up, like kind of loose.
I don't know how to use the thing. I'm trying to be helpful.
I know, we're all here together. We're gonna get through it. We're gonna hold your hand. We're going up the mountain. So then just stir that. And it's almost like a broken sauce for biche. Very nice with white asparagus. So this is just a casserole. This is what a casserole looks like. It looks like a baked quesadilla.
It's
or
a giant, cheesy, delicious concoction.
Look at that.
Look at that.
That is nice.
It's a bowl of love.